Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're working on the Corrado project. So this video is kindly sponsored by Retro Spares. For all your retro spare parts, contact Niall in the link below. In this video we're going to work on getting the handbrake cables sorted, and yeah, I didn't think it'd be so difficult or we could make a video out of making handbrake cables, but apparently we can. These are the handbrake cables originally out of the Corrado. You can see they're the same length at the bottom. And we join them here. There's quite a long pipe just here. And this is the steel pipe that sits from the outside to the inside. There's a grommet just here, and that's where the dividing line is. You can see obviously where the elements have gotten to it and it's rusted. And unfortunately this one here is absolutely jammed. It won't move, so there's no give at all in the pipe at all. So I managed to get this one off, but it came off in bits, so it was basically discarded. So they're quite a long pipe. So next, Retro Spares were able to supply me with these pipes here, these just the metal ends. That's all I needed. And what I didn't realize was these are the pipes out of a Golf, and you can see they're the same length at the bottom, but when we put them together, these ones here are the Corrado ones, and these ones here are the Mark 2 or 3 Golf, and they are longer, so they wouldn't work. So that was very unfortunate, but the pipes were great, but again, they're just too short. So what I ended up doing, well, Retro Spares are absolutely brilliant. So they were able to get me pipes from a Passat because they didn't have any Corrado ones in stock, and they couldn't get me good ones even from a Corrado or anything like that, because it had basically the same story. They're all going to be rusted at the bottom. They're all going to be damaged. There's no point doing it. So we were able to get Passat ones, which are actually longer again, so they're probably back down to here. And this meant that we just measured off this length here and cut them down to size. So this one I have a Passat, all painted up poorly, but it is painted, and it's on a brand new cable as well. So these cables here, get them in nice and tight, they're the same length as the Corrado ones, with a ball at the end as well. So delighted with that. So now I'm going to install brand new cables with the modified tubes, I suppose what you call them, into the car. So the reason why you have to get the tubes right is because when you pull the lever at this end, you only have a certain amount of pull you can pull the lever, and if there's too much play, because there has to be a stopper here to stop the cable physically moving, so it's the internal cable or the outside pipe can't move, only the inside cable can move. And if you have too much play, obviously you're not going to have a good handbrake, or you're not going to be able to adjust your handbrake. So I have mine now that they're perfect, so I'm going to install them now into the car. Now with the metal pipe, we're going to just push it into the grommet. And there is a little flat edge, you see just there, and that has to correspond to this little flat edge just here. So we'll try and swing it around and get it to fit in place. Now I have the two pipes in. As you can see, they kind of follow around either side, and there's kind of a V in the metal anyway, so that's how you know which one is which for left and right. And also they have to kind of come down this way and they curl back this way and go on to the rear wheels. So you can see here I have it in primer. Again, it's in zinc coating because I end up damaging it so much pushing it in and out. But there's a fair old bend on it. That's the pipe now installed. Goes all the way around. Follows the rear axle just there. There's a clip just there on the rear axle to hold it in. And then down to the very end, there's a little clip that holds it in, and then the ball goes into there. Brilliant. So next we wind on the big nut, and then the small nut is the locking nut. So that's now the handbrake all finished. So the car is in a bit of a mess, but it's slowly getting there, still working away on it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe over there, leave a comment down below, and check out Niall in the description below as well. And as always guys, thanks for watching, see you later.